Hey, welcome into the Gargoyles Den Diecast. I'm Gargoyle, of course. Today we got a set of twin T-Birds that a buddy ordered, and they're looking pretty beat up. Let's see what we can do with them. We got a gentle persuader here. See if that was enough drilling on them or not. May have to drill just a little deeper, but I don't want to mess up the base too bad, so. This might need a little more. A little more on this one. There it goes. There's that one. There we go. Right. Our interiors and glass, because from what I saw, the glass and interiors are both fine. But, you know, you never know once you go to pull it out. You see something that you didn't see originally. What is the deal? There it goes. Yeah, that one looks okay. Here's the usual, it's fine. Base looks like it came out fine. Clean it up. Obviously, all the tires be getting replaced. Good. This one has a brown or a white interior. The other one had a brown interior. But luckily, the gentleman said he didn't care about the interior color. Set them aside. Those go in the degreaser here in just a minute. And both windshields look like they're good, so we got that going for us. These will do the wire brush thing with. Probably end up cutting the wheels off because I don't want to pop the bearings off on these. As long as they've been on there, you know, it's a very real possibility. So we'll cut the wheels off those, and those will be ready. Let's file these just a little bit, and then I can take it over to the drill press, and we can get them drill pressed out. Get them ready for the new screws that'll be going in. Alright, take these over to the drill press, get them drilled out, and then off to the regurgitation juice. Back momentarily when we clean up the bases. Alright, we're back from the regurgitation juice, and if I must say so, they're kind of rough. Lots of toning and spots, so yeah, it's going to take a little extra work, but we'll get them all polished up. Let's go ahead and we're going to drop these in CLR this time instead of just wire brushing them. CLR makes the chrome or the metal seem a lot brighter sometimes, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. We'll leave those in there about 5 minutes or so. In the meantime, let's go ahead and get to wire brushing these.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets...
Alright, it's been about 5 minutes. Go ahead and pull those out of there. See how they're looking. I think those will work just fine. So you can get the second one out of there, take them and wash them off so that the acid stops what it's doing. Otherwise, you'll turn the metal black if you just leave it like this. The longer it sits on there, the darker it'll get. And it makes it that much harder to polish. So I'm going to go wash these off and I'll be right back. You got them all polished up, ready to go. These are ready to go over to the paint booth. Get their base coat and top coat. These we will come back and switch the wheels out on and try to line the wheels up best we can before they go on the car. We can do a final tweaking later on. Alright, back in a few minutes. Okay, I'm back from the paint booth. Got the bodies over in the dehydrator. That's the noise you heard behind me. Let's go ahead and change out these wheels and get this stuff out of the degreaser and get it cleaned up. I wish I had two of the same color interior. I don't know if I have another one anywhere though. I'll check. He did say it didn't matter what color the interior was, but still, I would like them to be actual twins. Said we were going to cut these wheels off because, yeah, I don't want to pull the bearings off. Not that I don't have more bearings, I do, but I don't want to have to do any more repairs than I have to. You shot me. That's why you wear your safety equipment. Always wear glasses when you're doing something like this. Where's my axle tool? Here it is. It was buried. Bless America. So we can get started first. He's creamy. Let's try a different one, I guess. What's going on? Normally just pop right on. Can't tell I haven't had much sleep and I'm frustrated, can you? I've been up all night working on these. Almost to the finish line. Not quite. Nope, it's too on. It's not popping on. And this is where we ended up. Two twinsies again of the T-Bird. The only difference was one had a light white interior and one has the brown interior. Other than that, they're the same. They're both beautiful. I like them both. I did have to repaint the one second time because I pulled off some paint when I went to put the black top on. I went to pull the tape off and it pulled some of the paint off. So yeah, it stripped it back down and repainted it again. Do what you got to do, you know. Other than that, the wheels, I guess I did have a little bit of an issue with getting the wheels on. I don't know what that was. I don't know if it was just because I was tired or what, but I ended up getting those back on this morning when I got up. So that took care of that. And yeah, other than that, it went pretty well. So hopefully Steve likes them. I'll let him know that they're done. And until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.